If you guys have ever thought about paint matching your vehicle and you've ever wondered where you actually get the paint to paint match stuff on your truck and want it to be the same exact color as your factory paint, you came to the right place. Obviously, as you guys all know, we got the mirrors paint match, we got the bumpers, the grill, door handle, we did the plastic caps, tailgate, door handle, rear bumper. That is soon going to be changed, and taillights and a few other things on here. And so to actually find your paint code, you're going to want to start by opening your driver's side door on your truck. Now you're going to want to look at this little white sticker and you're going to look for EXT PNT. That is F1. And if I'm not mistaken, the EXT PNT stands for exterior paint code. Now everyone's going to ask, where do you even go to get it? Now that's where you go over to good old Google and you just type in automotive paint near me, and you're gonna find these paint and body shops that mix the paint for you. And just know that it sometimes gets expensive, but in the long run you're gonna be able to paint a lot more stuff for a longer time. Now I don't want to make this video too long. What I would typically do is whenever I call those places, I would tell them what I'm looking for, what I'm kind of looking to spend, and they're going to give you a run of, you know, how much something is and what you're kind of looking at on price. And those people are typically pretty well knowledgeable on paint and everything, so they're going to be able to help you out, figure out the best option, you know, for what you're looking for. But if you guys got any more questions, drop a comment down below and we'll make a part 2 if we need to.